So I'll welcome our students from Keshav Murti Vikas Nagar. So along with the teachers. So every year they are coming in our fields, and this is their experience. So today they just came late. Aj I'm around being as a president of Palitwada Shatkar Association. My name is Keshav D'Souza. So it's a good opportunity. Every year they are coming and they are learning something. And now I'll take them in the fields and show them they are already cultivated, but they are cleaning now. So that will show them. And their future is they are the youth. This is our future. And government is doing so much for cultivation and all. So future they can do something and they may become agriculture officers or any in their life. So I'll wish them all the best, and the teachers also who always cooperating with us in Welsong. So हे म्हणून न्हू हांव तांकां शेतां वता आनी दाखयता की बाबा हेंचो हे वेलसांव शेत आज ग्रीनरी हितून वेलसांव दिश्टी पडे आनी हें तुमी शिंकीत जाल्यार न्हू तुमच्या पांयांचेर उबें रावपाक जाता शेत करपाक आनी सगळे कडेन तांकां कळटलें कितको लोक काम करता तो. सो तुमकां मिडियाकूय तुमी कवरेज दिल्या त्या भुरग्यांगेली आनी तांकां काळजोन तान ते बरोबर म्हणटा आमचो पंच आहा बाबा रेमेड तो शेतां आमकां खूब आदार दिता. म्हणजे कमिटी येवपाक आसलेली ते पावलो ना. सो तुमकां देवर करूं कितें तेंगे थोडी फॅमिली तेंगे काम करता शेतां बी. सो तांकां न्हू आतां ती मातशें लेट पावले. आतां ते रोंपताय तेन्ना तांकां दिश्टी पडटा कशें हें घाताय ते आनी आतां तांकां दिश्टी पडटा की घातोकच न्हू कितें करून क्लीन कोताय. आतां आमची बॉडी क्लीन कोताय, उदक न्हांवताय, कापडे मुदा कोताय आनी बॉडी आमची क्लीन दवरताय हेल्थ वायज. तेच भाशेन आतां शेतां लागली सो तेंचे आमी परामर्श घेवपाक जाय. तांकां क्लिननेस जाय, तेंचें तें तोंड दुसरें तोंड येता तें काडूंक जाय. सो ते भाशेन दवरलें जाल्यार पीक बरी जाता. ही तांकां आमी दाखोवपाक सोदताय. तुमी पळयलां डॉन बॉस्को फादर ते सारके ते भाशेन ते सारके डिपली गेलो आहाय त्या भुरग्यांक घेवन कोताय. आनी आज कितले तुमी तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां दिश्टी पडटा भुरगीं कितलीं शेतान देंवताय बारा एलोंग विथ द टिचर्स बिकॉज दे आर शोईंग द इंट्रस्ट. सो आमकां दिसता मुखार फ्युचराक भुरगीं जायतो आमच्या सोसायटीक कितें तरी शेता पासून कोतली हें म्हाका दिसता.
My name is Himanshi Sakaram Kumawat. I came from Keshav Bal Vikas Mandir, Sangwar, Gadeshkadi School. I am from class 6. I experienced today how the food is grown in the fields and the farming tools. Experience from directly farmers is much exciting than learn from a textbook. Thank you.
We have got the opportunity to bring the students to this field in Vesa. I would like to thank sir for giving us the opportunity. So as we all know that farming is a very important occupation in Goa, and as we can see that it is declining day by day. So this is a very good opportunity for our students to learn about farming, and also they will learn the efforts given by the farmers, to put to give us the best outcome. Also the students will might get some interest in learning about the farming techniques, and they might choose this farming as their career. So yeah, thank you everyone for giving us this opportunity.
Today, as per the new education policy, we are as a part of school kitchen garden activity for vocational education. Our 6th standard and 7th standard students have come here for a field visit to know the importance of farming and their hard work. We also would like to appreciate our farmers for their hard work.